Attending Global Software Architecture Summit in Barcelona was an incredible experience that exceeded my expectations in every way. The event brought together the best specialists in the software architecture, and the sessions were both inspiring and highly practical. Participants ranged from seasoned architects to developers and engineers with a varying level of experience, which creates for everyone a dynamic and vibrant atmosphere where people from different backgrounds come together to learn, network, and share their ideas. The Global Software Architecture Summit is one of the best international tech conferences out there. That's why I strongly recommend everyone who wants to be at the forefront of the software architecture and learn from the best minds in the industry to attend it.